Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Eco Lover Sleep. I hope you and your family are doing well during this pandemic time. And I had a interesting feedback on my last video. So something regarding my sound quality. So as you can see, I've changed my headphone specifically for that purpose. Because the mic was in my earlier headphone, the mic was lying. Okay, I have it with me. So if you can see, the mic was here, which was very away from my normal mouth, and this is much more convenient. I hope so that this video is much more clear and louder for you guys. Uh, so I'm trying it. Also on the feedback, okay, one of the interesting feedback I had, it's just a realization for me, like one of my relatives suggested me to make it in Hindi so that it can reach more people. Okay, thank you very much for that feedback, because it's my unconscious instinct that gets started in front of screen, that I keep talking in English. But this really could सही बात है भैया, अगर लोगों तक पहुंचाना है तो हिंदी में तो बात करनी पड़ेगी। आखिर में राष्ट्रभाषा ही है अपनी, तो सवाल ही नहीं है। सो आज का वीडियो हम हिंदी में करेंगे, एंड गोइंग फॉरवर्ड ऑल्सो आई ट्राई टू कीप इट इन हिंदी. Okay, so let's do some recap. Till now, we talked about why climate change, what all things as an individual we can follow for our daily lifestyle, and how we can do that. Today, the fourth part is on what only. Earlier, we covered for indoor activities. Today, the focus is on outdoor activities, what we can do in outdoor to maintain our eco-friendly lifestyle, right? So I hope you will like this video, and please share with your friends and family. uh, Let me share my screen now. Okay, so हम स्क्रीन पे आ चुके हैं, एंड टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस इको फ्रेंडली प्रैक्टिसेस आउटडोर पार्ट 1. सो थर्ड वीडियो सेकेंड वीडियो में हमने बात की थी इको फ्रेंडली प्रैक्टिसेस इंडोर. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट आउटडोर, एंड दिस इज़ ऑल्सो आई एम ट्राइंग टू मेक इट इन पार्ट्स. सो ये पार्ट में हम चार प्रैक्टिस कवर करने का ट्राई कर रहे हैं, and this is for our daily use, okay, that we can use on a personal level. First is don't ask for plastic. This is very conscious topic, guys. As we discussed in our first video, millions or trillions of trillions of gallons of plastic is getting tons of plastic is getting piled up on the earth. Not only on earth, in ocean also, and it is being said that 30 to 40% of the plastic is in the dumping state as of now, and it is not being reused, or it is kind of a single use plastic, right? So guys, I urge you very seriously to follow this. So what we can do on our from our side, so हम एक कैरी बैग अपनी रख सकते हैं फॉर आर डेली यूज़. Most of you must have started using it because we have a ban in many states, but are we doing it consciously? So काफ़ी टाइम हम भूल जाते हैं, फिर भी हम लेके आते हैं कोई भी प्लास्टिक बैग्स एंड ऑल. सो व्हाट वी कैन डू इज़ हम हमारे बैग्स को वॉलेट, जहाँ हम हमारे वॉलेट रखते हैं वहाँ रखना चाहिए. तो we will not unconsciously also we won't be forgetting it. Let's say if you forget it, so second thing what we can do is we can ask for cartons, paper bags, or temporary cloth bags. Now temporary cloth bags पर मैं अलग से वीडियो बनाऊंगा जहाँ पे I will show you how we can create a bag out of whatever cloth or piece of a cloth you have anywhere, if you have forgot your to get your own carry bags, right? So वो चीज़ मैं बाद में कवर करूँगा, बट Cartons and paper bags are like something that people may charge you for that, but please ask for that rather than asking for plastic bags. The second thing is limit the use of fuels. Now we all know that saving fuel is not only saving money but it also saves environment, right? So what we should do is take public transport. Now you will say, right, in this pandemic era, why I'm talking about public transport, राइट हमें अभी बहुत कॉन्शियसली पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट यूज़ करना चाहिए टू मेंटेन दी सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग एंड ऑल बट व्हाट अदर थिंग्स वी कैन डू इज अभी अगर हमें काम पे जाना ही है आफ्टर दिस टेम्परेरी लॉकडाउन सो व्हाट वी कैन डू इज वी कैन डू अ कार पुलिंग बाइक पुलिंग also if we have to go by road only then we should look for alternatives like google maps पे check करो what is the traffic update based on that select your select your route smartly. It will not only save your time, it will also save fuel also. So these kind of tricks you need to apply in your daily lifestyle. Third thing is do not smoke or use tobacco. Now you will say how tobacco is creating climate change. See, it is not only the carbon emission, but the cigarette is not only doing carbon emission or health issues, but it also creates waste on the planet Earth as well as in the ocean. Let me show you one interesting fact that I have gone through. This talks about 4.2 millions of cigarette butts are collected from beaches and waterways globally in 2019. Out of which 30 to 40% cigarette butts were collected on coastal area. Every year, more than 600 millions of trees are being chopped down for making the cigarette packets. 9.48 pounds of toxic chemicals were released from US tobacco facilities in 2018. So this is the effect. See this. The America generated 2.7 billion tons of consumer electronic waste, including e-cigarette waste. This is huge numbers, guys. We need to be very conscious. Why do we want to use tobacco or smoking cigarette? Can't we use any alternatives about it? Like any Ayurvedic alternative, like long use ready available products, Ayurvedic products, taking help of rehabilitation program where they are trying, they design the program in such a way that they don't not only concentrate on how you can leverage your urge on these things, but also they invite other peoples who have been recovered from such a disaster. So don't think it as a only health related issue. It is also a big issue on environment. So we need to think about this. A fourth is plant a tree. So in a society area, I mean in your area also you would see some of the trees are very common. People, babool, coconut, neem, roses, right? So these kind of trees are requires less maintenance and it will grow afterwards. Till certain time you need to give proper care, but afterwards it will grow by its own, right? So plant such a tree, right? I'm not very much informative on what kind of trees you should plant and everything. I'm also learning on this path, so I'll also learn and I'll also share my knowledge whatever I will learn. But I urge you guys to think about it and also start doing gardening and stuff with your children in your area or in your premises. So there are many ways of doing gardening now. Like it's not only horizontal as of now. From traditionally, we have been taught that horizontal gardening is the gardening that normally people do. But now with the help of technology and other stuff, vertical gardening is also started in public areas, in on railway stations, on public bridges and everywhere. So it's also a good thing if society allows you, and if there are space to cover that thing, that kind of thing, it's also a good thing to do it. So guys, think of such alternatives in your areas and spend time with your children during this pandemic, doing such great uh, alternative things. I hope you like this. Okay, we are out of the screen now. I hope you guys like the content and understood it well. If you have liked my video, please do like, subscribe to my channel, and please share this with your friends and family and known to you guys. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your support.